Welcome to tutorial info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your user ID in the Mini World CREATA game. There are three places where your user ID is visible. First is under your username in the main menu, as you can see right here. Second is under your settings icon. Under your account, you can see the current user ID. And then also under settings, here under, I believe, basic at the top, you have your user ID again. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.